Hello children, I'm Miss Emma, and this is my friend, Miss Lisa. Welcome to our English classroom. Do you know what a journal is?
It is a written record of the things you do and see every day. You can write your daily activities in your journal so that you are able to remember what you did, what you thought, and what was happening on that day.
Is it like diary?
No, diary and journal are synonyms, but there is an important difference.
What's the difference between diary and journal?
Many people think a diary is the same thing as a journal. However, there is a difference between the two. A diary is strictly a record of personal and daily experiences. A journal means a general record book or logbook. Let me show you an example.
During the holidays, Amir and his brother spent 3 days at an adventure camp in Green Park. Read what Amir wrote in his journal.
Day 1, my father drove Kssr and me to Green Park. After we had put our bags in the dormitory, we assembled in the hall. My group members and I learned how to give first aid. Kssr and his group learned how to tie knots. Later, Mr. Ram taught all of us how to use a compass. Day 2, in the morning, I took part in an obstacle course. My brother spent the morning jungle trekking. In the afternoon, I learned how to tie knots, while my brother learned how to use dry twigs to start a fire. Before we went to bed, our instructors taught us how to read maps. Day 3, after breakfast, my group carried our backpacks and walked to the jungle near the park. We trekked through the jungle until we reached a waterfall. Kssr and his group participated in the obstacle course, which my group went through the previous day. Day 4, all of us traveled by bus to a river, about 10 kilometers from the park. We put on life jackets and went canoeing with our instructors. My brother and I had a wonderful time canoeing. That evening, we went home.
All right, children. Let's do this exercise. Amir makes short notes to help him tell the class about the camp. He uses the information in his journal to do this. Complete the short notes. Write down your answers on a piece of paper and show to Miss Gunn.
Now, let's continue with our writing task. Sarah went for a camp last week. After the camp, Sarah used her notes and photographs to tell the class about her experience. She also wrote about her experience in her journal. Based on the notes and the photographs, use the information to help Sarah to write her journal. Your answer should be between 50 to 80 words.
Goodbye children. If you have any question, please ask Miss Gunn. See you in the next lesson.